There's a bear trap. Just so they can't sneak up here, I'm gonna put a bear trap right here. People are here. Someone's here.
Yeah, I felt like I heard people walking around next to me.
They're over there by you because I don't see anyone over here.
They're right next to me somewhere.
Fuck, dude. I don't have eyes.
They're walking on top of something. I'm hiding in the porta potty. It's okay. They open up the gate right to my right.
Okay, I'm just coming.
He's right in front of my porta potty.
Okay. Stay right there. Don't move.
Okay, don't do that again.
Oh, he wasn't in front of your porta potty.
He was.
He's in front of the building. I hit him. Open it up. Right in front, Zach. Right in front. I think I killed him. Killed one. Get your gun out. How'd you get picked up, boy? Altar boy, that's the British, the label. It's not red. So is that you?
Oh my god, he picked himself up again?
What a fucking loser. I got a plan. Cover me.
Yeah, boy.
That's probably his last one.
Yeah, I don't think he can do it again.
Oh no, you can do it a lot actually. So I'll do it like 4 or 5 times. Yeah, he's probably solo though. Gave him hell. Oh, look out, there's someone over here. Stand up, you piece of shit. Alright, he's dead. Go ahead and reload your gun. Okay, he's not getting picked, or you know, he ain't doing it anymore. Okay, here's the plan. I gotta go find some